Hey everyone, so I got the Pride palette. I went there and they had the display. Um, maybe some of the other Walgreens got it by now because from what I understand, shipment day is Tuesdays. But I just went over there because it's not that far. One of the things though that does disappoint me about this is that there are 11 colors in the Pride flag. They've got 12 colors in here, and there's no red, there's no light blue, there's no white. So instead of putting this is white gold, this gold, this peach, they should have did the light blue, the white, and the red. So it is disappointing. Some people were complaining about that because you don't need all of that. And then for the 12th color you can have like a beige, for the highlight. So I'm gonna do my best to do a rainbow, but instead of red I'm gonna have to use pink. So let me go into the pink up here. Since my eyes are deep set, I can just put it right in that inner space. If I want to fit all the colors, that's all I can do for that. Let's go into the orange and then just go right here. It's okay. Well, it looks kind of sloppy now, but we'll blend it better. So I'm going to go into the yellow and let me see. Yeah, I just put like a regular concealer, a beige concealer today because since we're doing a rainbow look. Let's go into the green, and it's weird because I think the green is the only metallic primary color. Looks like it's a blackened green. Let's see. Thank God. It came out, it looks green. Okay, thank God. All right. The blue looks like it has a little tiny bit of shimmer as well. Okay. And then of course, let's go into the purple color right there. Try and blend these in a little bit better. Probably gonna get a little ruined when I put my mascara because my eyes are so deep set that it always gets on my lid when I put mascara on. This kind of reminds me of Sugar Pill. And I am going to put the brown color right there. Lightly create a crease. I'm gonna go into the, just touch the black right there. And the black has like a gold shimmer, it looks like. Just touching it. So that I can just like create a line around it, like an outline. Let's try that beige. If it's too dark, I'll put a little bit of that frosty white gold. Alright. It works. Alright, I'm just gonna put regular black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. It was hard because mascara was getting on my lids and I had to clean that off. Actually, go over it with the shadow again. it was a pain in the neck. But just let me tell you that I did use this this white gold frost for the highlight, for the nose, and for the inner corners. And then since there was no red, I used red lipstick. So I used Milani red, the oldies red label, red gloss, and I used I think this is a gel liner. Yeah, red lip liner from Wet n Wild. So that's what I did with that. Again, other people were complaining too because they were saying it wasn't the true rainbow, and it's true because there's no red. But if they're gonna be using the Pride flag, then they needed to add the red, they needed to add the light blue, they needed to add the white, and then put a beige, if you wanted to, because some people don't like using white. And this beige, I noticed, had a little bit of a tiny bit of gold shimmer in it. That's what I have to say about that. I did not use, I love how they do this. It looks like it's little stars in all different colors. Didn't use this. I did use this for the highlight and, the inner corner and whatnot. And then you have the sponges. Now these sponges I would use because it doesn't have like an insignia of something in it, so I would use these. And like the Halloween ones, they don't have any insignias on them, so when it's time for me to use them, I would use them. But the ones that have like the SpongeBob ones, I'm not into SpongeBob, but they're so cute. I don't want to mess it up, Care Bears, they have little insignias on them. I wouldn't want to wear that, but this doesn't, so I would use it. And I love this because I don't usually wear e.l.f., but I was eyeing the e.l.f. Cookies and Cream. I think they called it Cookies and Dream, so they're not copywriting. And I was eyeing it for a long time, and then this came out. So, and then they did a purple and a red. But yeah, I thought that was cool. So yeah, that's the Wet n Wild Pride collection. Like I said, I'm pretty sure the other Walgreens got them in, because their delivery dates are Tuesday. I was not in the mood to play hunt. I'm 57. I'm slowing down quite a bit. My arthritis is just getting worse, and other people have told me this, that because of COVID they've become more lazy because they couldn't go anywhere. So I'm just slowing down a lot. I didn't want to play the hunt game, so I'm glad I just called around, and this place is not, this Walgreens is not that far from me. So, I'm glad they had it. I didn't have my phone with me when I went in, so I couldn't take a picture of the display. I'm sure you can find it online. And finally, Amazon has it up. And speaking of Amazon,